Welcome to GINESYS release update for GINESYS HO version 11.48.0 and GINESYS POS version 1.48.0, released on 14 July 2015. Today we are going to discuss about the enhancements released in this update. POS bill or delivery slip reprint can now be restricted to last bill or slip printing only. GINESYS has now provided a new role privilege for POS operators, which will allow the store manager or IT manager to restrict the operators from reprinting any bill to last bill only. Let's check the same in our software. We are in POS administration, security roles, normal POS. A new privilege option has been added, reprint last document. If this option is enabled, operator will be allowed to reprint last document. The new option has been added so that the operator can be restricted only till the last bill. We need to disable the reprint option to restrict the operator from printing any other bill other than the last bill, and then save. Similar privilege option has also been provided in POS as delivery slip, reprint last document, and POS as collection center, reprint last document. Let's go to POS terminal. Reprint option has been disabled from the taskpad and also from the button panel. Operator will be able to reprint only the last bill. Please note, if the operator has been provided the privilege to reprint the bill but do not have the privilege to reprint last bill, then last bill can be printed using the search option in the bill reprint option. Second enhancement released in this update is reprint of POS bill can now be restricted for backdated entries. Previously, if reprint privilege was provided to the operator, he could reprint bills of any past unsettled date. Operator can now be restricted to reprint POS bills to certain days as specified in the new policy introduced. Please note, this functionality is not applicable for delivery slip POS mode, since delivery slip once adjusted cannot be reprinted. Let's check the functionality of the new policy in our software. We are in POS administration. A new master policy has been introduced. Allow backdated reprints for POS bill up to in number of days. If the value is provided as 10, then operator will be allowed to print POS bills of last 10 days. Let's check this feature in POS terminal. Let's try to reprint a bill. Please note, bills will get filtered as per the number of days specified in the policy within the date range. And if suppose last bill which was printed was before 10 days, then operator will not be able to reprint the bill using last bill option. Third enhancement in this release update is reference bill details of credit and debit note adjusted can now be reflected in print formats. Reference bill number and reference bill date of credit note and debit note adjusted can now be printed in reports along with the other mode of payment details. Suppose a credit note was issued on 1st July in POS bill number POS 00150. The credit note was adjusted on 14 July in POS bill number POS 00180. Print formats can now have reference bill details, that is reference bill number and reference bill date, which is POS 00150 and 1st July in this case. Last enhancement released in this update is description and numeric details can now be printed in POS bills and delivery slips. Additional item details, that is all item description and numeric details, can now be printed in POS bill reports. These were the enhancements released in this update. Thank you.